If you want to learn how to use this sewing machine, then this video is for you, because I'm introducing a series called Learn How to Sew for Beginners. And yes, I'm a beginner, but I'm ready to share what I'm going to be learning along the way with all of you, so that you don't be left out. So be sure to be watching the coming episodes, because it's the best decision that you could ever make. So in the first episode, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what this machine came with and also the features that it has. And next, I'm going to show you how to wind a bobbin with this machine. And finally, I'm going to show you how to thread the machine. So stick around so that you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get started. So guys, like I said, I'm going to show you what this machine comes with and all its features. And it comes with the foot pedal. It is, you can use a foot pedal or you can use these two buttons to sew. So you just turn it on. You can use the low speed or the high speed, and then you can turn it off when you don't want to use these buttons. I don't know what to call it, but I think it's a button. So you just switch on and then it sews. If you don't want to use this is what you use, and you plug it. Behind here there is this port written foot pedal, and that's where you're going to plug in your foot pedal when you want to use it. The other thing this machine comes with is this power plug, and I love the fact that it has this, so I don't have to keep on struggling to put it in the socket. So you just connect this to the socket and then you plug in this here, and that's it. If you want to confirm whether the power is okay or whether the power is reaching the machine, you just press here. There is a bulb that will switch on. Let me just connect it so that you guys can see. After connecting the machine to the power, you can now switch it on, switch the bulb on, and it's not on. Yeah, that's how you know whether the power is reaching the machine well or not. Okay, that's what I do personally. So I'm going to unplug it from the power, because here to be safe, this machine comes with extra bobbins. It also comes with this is a cover for up here. You just turn it, so when you put your thread there, when you're sewing, this might come out, and so you use this to cover it so that it doesn't come out. This is where you put your thread. And yeah, it also comes with two extra needles, but I already broke my first one, so I had to change the needle. So now I have one left. It comes with a threader. It is funny enough, I don't even use threaders. I feel like I can just use my hands. And then it also comes with this buttonhole foot. So when you want to make a buttonhole, this is what you use, and you have to replace this with this, and that I'm going to show you in the coming episodes. And another thing, this machine has a drawer. It's small but functionable. This is where you can put your stuff, you can put your bobbins, you can put your needles, you know, just for a small storage, and that's where you put it, like that. Okay, this is what you use to turn the needle to either bring it up or down. Let me just bring it close so that you guys can see. Oh my god. When I turn it, you can see the needle is going down and then it's going up. Yeah, that's the function of this. The thing I love about this machine is that it has 12 stitches. let me tell you guys, I used to think these are buttons. Imagine they're not buttons, but they look like buttons. So it has 12 stitches, and this is what you use to select the stitch that you want, and it has to click. I don't know if you guys can hear the click. Yeah, it has to click so that you can know the stitch that you want is selected. If you want number 5, you go to number 5. If you want number 12, you go to number 12. Like that. And I'm going to show you how these stitches look and their uses in the coming episode. So yeah, another thing I love about this machine, it has a back stitch. You just press this downwards and then you turn it on. It's off right now because I don't want you to start sewing. So you just turn it on and then you press this and then it does the back stitch. Or you can use your foot pedal. You bring this down and then you press the foot pedal. So once you press the foot pedal and do this, it does the back stitch for you. So another thing is this tension. What is it called? I don't know, but this is what you select the tension with. There is 1, there is 2, so you're the one to select. And I've not really learned anything about this, about the tension and everything, but once I do, I'm going to share with you guys. So here's where the bobbin is, and this is how you just remove it the normal way. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, that's where you put your bobbin. It also comes with the bulb here. Just press, and I hope it's off. Press this button upwards, and yeah, the bulb is on now. Then it has this thing for winding the bobbin. Yeah, I'm going to show you how it's done in the next part of this video. So this other feature is what I love most about this machine, because when you're sewing your sleeves or something that is rounded, or maybe when you're doing your hem, you won't have to worry about sewing the 2 layers together, because you just put it inside here, down here, and then you're ready to sew, just like that. And when you sew it, you just go round and round and round and round and round, and once you're done, you just remove it. I think that's all about what this machine comes with. And now we can head to the next thing, and that's winding a bobbin using this machine. So when you're winding your bobbin, you put your thread here, and if you're using this short thread, you just use the lead, because if you're using the long thread, let me just show you. If you're using this long one, this tall one, I don't know how to call it, this type of thread, you won't be able to cover because you can't reach here, down here. So when if you're using this short one, you just cover there. Make sure this thread is on the outer side. It's coming from the outer side, not from the inner side. And bring your thread down here. There is a hook down here. Then you're going to bring it round down this loose thing, and then you're going to bring it this way. And the next thing you're going to do is take your bobbin. I'm going to use this white bobbin because I don't have an empty bobbin. The next thing you're going to do is bring this thread from down to up, just a little bit. Make sure this thing is on the right side, and you're going to press your bobbin like that. It makes a click. Push the bobbin winder to the right, hold the thread up here and then turn your machine on. I just broke another needle. Oh, so you're just going to hold this thread up from up here and turn your machine on. If you don't hold the thread, it goes down, it doesn't go up, so you have to bring it up using your finger, using your finger, or like this, or a pair of scissors. Let me just show you. Bring it up. Once you're done, you just push it to the left and pull it up. Then now you can cut it free. And here is your bobbin. Since I've broken my needle, I'm going to show you how to replace a needle. And if this thing is down here, you're supposed to bring it up to somewhere there. Oops! I'm going to give you a hack that no one will ever tell you. So this is what I do. I just put this a scrap or just a material inside here, so that when I'm putting the needle inside, it doesn't fall. It doesn't fall and go inside the machine. It has ever happened to me and I wouldn't want that again, so it's good to always be careful. Make sure this flat part is facing the back and this round part with a number is facing you. Now you can put your needle inside. Make sure the number is facing you, and then you can turn your screw. Normally I use a bobbin because my hands cannot tighten the screw enough. So just do this, and now my needle is secure. So the next thing we are going to do is thread the machine, and this part here we are doing it the same way we did for the winding the bobbin, and you're going to put it down here and then bring it all the way around and then bring it down here. You can see this space, and there is this arrow that shows you to bring it up like that, and then you're going to have to turn this so that this can come up, and then there is this hole where you're going to put your thread through like that, and then you're going to bring it down as shown here. Then after bringing it down, there is this hole that is here. You're going to put it from up to going downwards, from up going downwards, and then you're going to lift your needle up. And so now this is where the threader comes in, and I have two threaders. I have this type, the one that has a hook, and I have this other one, but I prefer using this when I'm using a threader because I feel like, I don't know, I just don't like this type. So I don't know if everyone else does this, but I put it through the needle's eye, and then I put the thread through the threader like that. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, put it through the threader and then pull it like that. And now my machine is fully threaded. So the final step is putting a bobbin in here and put it the wrong way. Okay, make sure this bobbin looks like this letter P, not this way. Put it like this. So when you're putting your bobbin, remember letter P, like that. So you're going to hold this top thread and then bring your needle down, then it's going to catch the thread from down. It comes up here, and that's it. Your bobbin thread now is up. Then you're going to put them backwards, and you want to sew like that. Now your machine is ready to sew. Now let us sew so that you guys can see. And I'm going to bring it down. So guys, I had forgotten to show you this. This is what brings the presser foot up and down. This is what you use to bring the presser foot up or down. So let's finish sewing. I don't know, I think the tension has a problem because it's perfect on the top, but it doesn't look good at the back. So yeah, that's how you thread your machine. And so guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you have any questions regarding this machine, feel free to ask on the comment section, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Let's catch up in the next one. Bye guys.